Hello, this is Les Walkling and welcome to our studio in this short presentation on printing profiling test charts on a Mac, where since Big Sur or Mac OS 11, test charts can again be correctly printed from any application that permits a printer manager's color print path, such as in Adobe Photoshop. Start by launching Photoshop and opening the test chart you intend to print. In this case, I'm printing our A3 combined TC1748 RGB test chart. Also load the correct paper you are profiling in the printer and in the two sets of instructions that need to be issued. That is, instructions at the application level, in this case Photoshop 2024, and separate instructions at the OS level, in this case Monterey or OS 12.6.3. Begin by selecting Photoshop's File Print command. Make sure the correct printer is selected, or install your printer so that it can be selected. In this case, I'm printing to our Epson P20000 large format printer. Open the Printer Setups Print Settings and select the correct paper size. Set the printer driver's color matching to Epson Color Controls, and the print settings set to the correct media type, with the color settings set to off or no color adjustment, and print quality set to the highest setting. In this example, the base media type will be Premium Luster 260, as I'm printing on a semi-gloss media with Super Photo 2400 dpi resolution. At the application level, please check the test chart document is untagged and therefore contains no embedded profile, and that color handling is set to Printer Manager's color with normal printing to ensure a non-color managed print path. Also ensure the scaled print size is 100% and the target's position is centered in the printable area. Please verify in the print preview that the black registration bars are not clipped and no patches are cropped. Clicking the Print button completes this process. The combined test chart can then be trimmed, in this case 2 A4 pages, for easier packaging and sending, along with your printer settings. For more details, please see the specific profiling instructions included with our printer profiling test charts. I hope this has been both informative and helpful, and wish you all the best with your adventures in printer profiling.